How to add image carousel to Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add an image carousel to your Hostinger website builder. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and you are going to see the H panel. This is the H panel. Now, we are going to head over the left side of the screen, click on websites, websites list, and from here, you're going to see all the websites that you have created. Now what we're going to do is to select one of the websites that contain the Hostinger website builder logo, which is going to be this one. Not this one, this is a WordPress, as you can see, website. Then we're going to click on edit website. For example, I'm going to choose this website. Now we are going to wait for the Hostinger website builder to load up real quick. Now what we're going to do is to scroll down a little bit and we are going to create a free section or a blank section. You can go ahead and do that, or you can go ahead and add a specific section which is going to contain a slideshow. So basically, we do not have a carousel integrated into our Hostinger website, but we can go ahead and create a slideshow instead, and it is going to be considered as a carousel. So we are going to add this new section. We are going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to see here images or image holders, galleries, and slideshows. We're going to select slideshow and you're going to click on edit section. Now what we're going to do is to remove the buttons or the three dots in here that are going to specify the images that are contained in that box or that specific slider or that carousel, like that. And we can go ahead and let the images. So now we can go ahead and click on slides and add the images as much as we want. For example, I'm going to add here some free images. I'm going to add this photo and we are going to make a lot of free images. For example, I'm going to put here the specific, let's say, order for these images to be like that. And we are going to let it like this. So as you can see, the photos are going to be a little bit in the wider range. So we are going to respect that and make sure that we are going to add at least some wide photos. And this is something recommended to let the photos not zoom in like this and get the blurry effect. Now for the controllers, you're going to see the arrows at the left and the right. So if I slide to the next image, you're going to see this arrow appearing, which is going to be the preview, not the preview, but the previous image. So we are going to see all of these. And then you have set up everything as you can see correctly. So you can go ahead and modify, as you can see here, the specific slides or edit the section for the navigation arrow colors and also the slide button colors. For example, I'm going to make these arrows white, or I can go ahead, not going to make them white, but instead we can go ahead and put them red. So we are going to distinguish them in whatever image they are in. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.